Been a quiet morning today. A while ago there was a lot of music and commotion, talking. So as you can see, it's messy, and my room, because I was taking, cleaning out, taking out some things, and I see a pictures. Nice pictures around, so okay. So these are my cabinet. I take it out from there. I don't know if you can see it. So this one is empty. See it? It's empty. This cabinet is broke. So this one is empty, because see all those, how you call it, that one, the black one here. See the black, it's empty. It's in here. Yes, it's in here. So cleaning up the mess. Okay, I have to go. Since morning I have coffee. I'll let you see in a minute, because it starts to get noisy again. So morning again, I'm having my coffee. See, because I dipped that one here. So bread and coffee black with sugar, using this one. So that's my bread there. So I'm sorry about my and have dipping black coffee with bread is nice also. Oh yeah, especially the one that donut also is nice. I'm not yet finished here, not yet, and I'm slow here. Yeah, this one I'm finished. The cabinet, it's stuck in it, so that's nice. But I'm not yet finished. Finally finished the cabinet, but unfortunately I still have this here. This one I'm finished. The cabinet, it's stuck in it, so that's nice. But so and then it's good I see it, because I'm gonna put it in the window. So because this one is like a spring, it has a tiny holes that the mosquito cannot go inside, so I fixed the window. Hi. So this is the one for emergency, because this spring is already broke. So different from this one. See, there's a lot of this one is a little bit clear because I take off. See you can see it. I don't know if you can, but I take it out. So look at this one, is like a blurred. So this one is clear, because I take out the old spring, and now this one here. So see, also this one. See, it's already broke. You can see the difference, because this one is already, see, has a spring on it. So this one is still already have the difference, broken the spring, and I put another spring, the white one. So see, even I point it out, it's ready. So that's what I do. I'm not yet finished. If you can see it. Oh, now you can see it. So I'm fixing it as much as I can. there. So, when one of the members of the family arrive, I'll borrow some. It's a big stapler, or maybe a thumbtacks if I go out tomorrow. So I'll just thumbtacks it. I don't think the paper stapler will do it, so I'll have to cut it here. So that's what I did, because this one here, the clear one, I take it out. You can see that old spring there. Yeah, that's the old spring. I cut it off, so it's now clear, different from here, and you can see the different from here. So before New Year, I'll take this one out, so much better. So I put a design to this, something how you call it. I still need, as I said, I need to. So I put the design on it, just to something to not boring the window. So that's about it. So I put beads. There's many of these before, but I don't know where it is now. So I say ciao for now, and always think positive. Oh, there's my laurel. And this one is a dried sampagita and ilang-ilang. Both are only seen, I think, in Asia, or most, I know, Philippines. Ilang-ilang is a tree flower, and sampagita is a plant. And the white one was antihistamine, old stock, so I said to throw it, so I just let it put it like a stone, because I don't have stones around. So I said maybe the old or expired medicine will do. So it turns out nice. And this one is from Avon. I just keep it because it's nice, the star. So ciao for now. So hopefully see you soon. Think positive, whatever happens.